Hey everyone, Roger here. Today's video is a quick look at a spot I hit during my Amtrak Grand American Tour. I'm not going to tell you exactly where this is just yet because I want to see if you can guess. Take a look at this. What do you think this is, and where in the world am I? I mean, just look at the scale of this thing. It's like a living, breathing city made of steel and speed. There are over 1,100 custom-made miniature cars can zoom through these skyscrapers at crazy speeds. The sound should be incredible. I can imagine the constant rhythmic hum that never stops. It must be chaotic. People travel from all over the country just to see this in action. Now keep in mind, this isn't just a massive toy set, it's actually a pretty legendary piece of contemporary art, so I want to hear from you. Do you know which city I'm in? Or better yet, do you know the name of the museum that houses this masterpiece? Drop your best guesses in the comments. I'm curious to see who gets it first. I'm gonna keep the secret for a little while longer. My next video is gonna feature another spot from my tour that's just as mind-blowing as this one. Once that's out, I'll do a full reveal and tell you all about these amazing places I've been exploring. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the reveal. Let's see if your guess was right. Catch you in the next one.